Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to view snaps you sent on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, if you have not installed the Snapchat application yet, you have to just simply open up the Play Store and simply go to search bar and search for Snapchat. So after searching for Snapchat, simply open up the Snapchat and simply tap on open to open up the Snapchat. If you have already installed it, you guys can just simply update it if there is any update available. So after that, you have to simply hit the open to open up the Snapchat. So after opening up the Snapchat, you guys can see this kind of interface will be appear to you. Here, what you have to do is, in order to check the snaps you send, you have to simply tap on the bottom left corner of your gallery icon. So after tapping on that, you guys can be able to see the lots of snaps you have made on your Snapchat application. So you guys can just simply view here those only snaps which you have saved. So in order to save, what you have to do is, if you want to save a new snap, so what you have to do is just simply open up the camera of your Snapchat. You guys can also select the filters and simply hit the snap, and here you guys can be able to see that at the bottom left corner you guys can be able to see the save button. So if you have manually saved each of the snap, that snap will be appeared here. So you guys can see, if you want to see the recently sent it snaps or previously snaps, you guys can just simply just swipe right and you guys can see the recently, or you guys can just simply see the all saved snaps here which you have saved, or you guys can just simply go to the story section to see the stories which you have made on your Snapchat. So here is the way to see the snaps which you have sent, and in this way you guys can just simply see the snaps you send as well as you guys can see the snap you have saved. But the main thing is, you must have to save manually from the snap. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.